Good day to all of you. Today I am here to clear some misconceptions which are existing in our society. Let me put it across with some examples. Last week I was taking a stroll in the garden when I overheard the conversation between two ladies. Person A was asking in which class your child is studying. Person B answered he is in class 10. Immediately the next question was, so which board he is in? So the answer came, he is in CBSE. So the next question which she has put surprised me. Wow, CBSE is really great. I have heard a lot about it. Now I was just wondering, rather than asking in which school or institution he belongs to, she just straight away asked the board. So here I am to clear the misconception which people are having, either to go for CBSE or the state board or the ICSE. Let me take you in detail about each one of us. Let me talk about in detail with SSC board. SSC stands for Secondary School Certificate. Now this is an internal board which is run by the government. And here the syllabus is totally different because we focus more on the regional subjects. The history is totally different. Even you get more free time. You can indulge your children for more of the activities. You can develop their personal development or some co-curricular activities as well. But yes, we are having more than 2 lakhs state board schools all over India. Let us talk about ICSE board, which stands for International Certificate of Secondary Education. Everyone is asking me, is ICSE board, is it tough? Now actually, it focuses more on practical knowledge, I can say. It goes depth into each and every concept. Maybe that is the reason why an average child finds it difficult to cope up with that particular subject or maybe that particular board. But yes, it is really very good. You get a thorough knowledge of everything. But don't forget, it also focuses on art, languages and humanities, which allows a wholesome and inclusive education. We have more than 2,271 schools across India. Yes, one more thing over here is, if a child wants to appear for ICSE exam, he must have studied in the ICSE affiliated school. And remember, it is definitely designed by the central government only, and yes, it is little bit closer to CBSE. Now let me talk about the most preferred board in India. CBSE is the most preferred board in India. Now let me tell you why it is, okay? First of all, there are more than 21,271 schools across India. And if I talk about foreign countries, there are 28 CBSE boards running at present. Now why it is good? The first thing, it allows English and Hindi as a medium of instruction. But in ICSE, you don't have this, only English is the medium of instruction. Now second advantage is, it is more beneficial for the children who are coming from defense background, because they have transferable job. So they should not lack in their education. They can continue anywhere in the state, they can continue with their syllabus, they can continue with the subject and they can adjust very easily. Now, if you look about all over whatever exams are happening, all the major exams like IIT, JEE, NEET, all this is being designed by CBSE because they follow NCERT syllabus. And it's really very easy, it is student friendly also. Yes, and children really love because the syllabus is interesting. Now, if you ask me my opinion, any child who is dedicated or who would love to explore the passion can really be successful in his life. If you look about each and every board, it is undergoing changes, as per the current situation. They are taking up the challenges by introducing presentations, experimentation, project-based learning. So what I feel is, it solely depends on us, how we push our child to grow or to give him a timely guidance or to grasp the thing. It is completely in line with us. Thank you.
We at Lexicon follow CBSE curriculum. We are one of the top schools in Pune who is following the national curriculum. Let me tell you, from the day one, we are following this curriculum and we have made it possible, which we were doing in the physical classroom. There are so many number of innovative methods we are applying so that our children can be glued with this online classes. It can be C2B, it can be R&D, it can be assembly, or it can be a Parents' Day function. You know, our children are always looking forward for these activities. We can see that excitement, we can see that zeal in them and the way they are enjoying. So yes, my school, Lexiconites, always are proud of what we are doing.
We lexiconites believe nothing is impossible, and we have really proved to this world, whether it's pandemic or any other situation, we will keep going. We will take this CBSE board, we will take this curriculum, and we will prove to the world that yes, we can do it. Thank you.